OPPO A53s, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here click on backup and reset, and select erase all data right here. And if you truly want to get rid of all data for your apps, just mark it here. Then provide your password, click on erase data to confirm, click one more time, and now wait until it's done. It may take a couple of seconds. And now you can set up your phone, so just pick the language, the region then, read the terms of usage and accept if you do accept obviously them. Then you can connect yourself to Wi-Fi. Let me skip it. Just accept all the Google setup. You can also set the password here, but I will skip it for now. And you can also import data from your old phone, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you'll be able to use your phone with all data, like apps data, removed. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.